Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the AOL Mail. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in aol.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official AOL Mail website. Now click on the mail icon at the top right corner and you will be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. Now you can proceed with entering your credentials and logging into your account, and you can change your password from within from the settings page, but you can also change it by entering your email address or your username first and then clicking on the next button. You will then be asked to enter your password, from which you can click on the forgot password option and you will be asked to enter your email address or your username once again. After entering your email address or your phone number and clicking on the next button, you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to you. Just check your inbox or your phone SMS and you will find the verification code that you will need to enter in the next screen. After entering this verification code, you will be allowed to create your new password, and then after you create your new password, you can log back into your account once again, and now your password will successfully be changed. And there you have it. That is how you can change your password on AOL Mail. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.